Imagine if Tony Stark designed a car. Not Iron Man, but the genius billionaire with a taste for style, performance, and bleeding-edge tech. That, my friends, might just be the 2025 Audi A9. Because this isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. A rolling piece of future-proof art that whispers elegance but roars with power. From the very first glance, the A9 doesn't just catch your eye, it grabs it. You know that feeling when you walk past a mirror and do a double take? Yeah, the A9 is that mirror. With its sleek, coupe-like silhouette, seamless lighting signatures, and that impossibly wide grille, it feels less like a car, and more like a sculpture in motion. Audi calls it progressive luxury. I call it, where did they hide the spaceship? Now let's pop the hood, figuratively. Because underneath this elegant shell is a twin-turbo V8 beast that makes over 700 horsepower. Yes, 700. Pair that with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, and you've got a car that grips the road like a cat on a curtain, 0 to 60, just under 3 seconds. That's not just fast for a sedan, that's supercar territory. And, yet, it doesn't scream. It whispers, confident, effortless, almost arrogant in the best possible way. Step inside, and the A9 doesn't just welcome you, it envelops you. The cabin is a minimalist dream, but it's not cold. It's futuristic. Without being clinical, screens curve toward you like they're listening. Touch panels are haptic and responsive, but the real genius? It's the AI-powered driving assistant that learns your habits, predicts your routes, and adapts to your mood. Yeah, your mood. And did I mention the OLED ambient lighting that adjusts based on the weather and your playlist? I mean, who even thinks of that? Massage seats that actually know what they're doing? Check A4D Bang & Olufsen sound system that makes live concerts feel flat? Double check. A panoramic roof that transitions from transparent to opaque with a swipe? Yep, that too. But here's a question. At what point does a car stop being a car and start being a personal sanctuary on wheels? The 2025 A9 isn't just about specs, it's about presence. It's the kind of car you don't just drive, you arrive in. There's a sense of confidence it exudes, a calm intensity, like it knows it's the future, and it's cool just waiting for the rest of the world to catch up. And here's a little-known fact. The materials used in the A9's interior are not just premium. They're sustainably sourced, including recycled microfiber and ethically harvested wood trim. Power and conscience in one package? That's the kind of flex that doesn't need a shout. So, is the 2025 Audi A9 the best luxury sedan ever made? Maybe. But more importantly, it asks a better question. Why settle for a car when you can own an experience